So we have the problem here about solve the compound inequality in which one is greater than equal to 3 minus x and x plus 5 over 2 is less than 9. Now here we need to solve each inequality separately. So we have first the equality of the first term. We have 1 is greater than equal to 3 minus x. Okay, so this was just basic solving for that one then. So first, we're going to subtract both sides with 3 then. Okay, so that's going to give us with the numbers out here as, after subtracting that one here, we have minus 3 plus 1 and greater than equals to 3 minus 3 minus x then. Okay, so that's gonna give us with negative 2 greater than equal to negative x 10. Now, in which we can divide that one by negative 1, negative 1 10. Okay, since this was being divided by or multiplied then by negative 1, so the answer would be in two choices down then. So that is 2 is less than equals to x, or the answer would be x is greater than equals to 2 then. Okay, so those are the chances of the answers here. Now, for the second part down here of the term, we have x plus 5 over 2 with less than 9 then. Okay, so let's try to solve out for the second inequality then. So we have x plus 5 over 2 less than 9 then. Now, to solve that one here, we're going to multiply both sides by 2. So that's going to be about x plus 5 over 2 times 2 and less than 9 times 2 then. Now, this we can cancel. That's going to give us with x plus 5. That's going to give us about 18 then. Now, we subtract both sides by 5 then here. So x plus 5 minus 5, that is 18 minus 5. That's going to give us x equals to 13. Now, it lets you try to combine out the answers down here. Since the compound statement is and, it says out here, the first one states that it is, and then we're going to take the intersections then. So that's going to give us with the answer as, for this one is as down here as 2 is less than, x is less than or equal to 2, in which x is less than 13. Okay, or greater than 13. All right, less than 13 different. Okay, so this would be our answers then.